Alright guys, well welcome back to the channel. Been on hiatus for quite a while. Been wintertime here in Minnesota, but we are back in the garage with the Corvette. And we have some fun stuff to install.
I think we have two to put on though, right?
Yes, there is two of those. Got some MSD spark plug wires, some NGK spark plugs to install. ARP exhaust manifold bolts, O2 extensions,
and hopefully it gets done before it gets dark.
We're excited.
Should we get a before?
Yeah, fire it up, Carl. Unless anybody else forgot what the car sounds like, we have another video of the install of the Billy boat, but so we got Carl here sitting, struggling. Pay somebody to do this. Wrapping his headers. He wanted to wrap them for all the benefits that they give. We'll find out if it's a good idea or not, but he's huffing and puffing.
It might be a good idea if somebody else did it.
And I'm going to sit here and delete all the EGR stuff right there. All that tubing. All the way down. I watched another video actually. I haven't worked on many Corvettes, but on this passenger side, to get this tube out right here, that tube, they say you have to take the intake off to get back to back bolt. Well, I'll find out if you do or not. But I'm gonna do that right now and see how well it goes.
Well, the more room the better.
So what turned into replacing the headers turned into pulling the entire intake to remove all the EGR tubing. So I'm gonna get those out. Carl's getting underneath. There's our intake. Gotta get down in there. Alright, boss. Lord Dean. An adapter. I'm not grabbing anything.
Huh?
He's somewhere under there.
God damn it. Ow! That was a finger.
Brian with the 89 Mustang. Go ahead. Brian Nichols in the Mustang. Who thinks the Mustang's going to win? I don't know.
but he's so lucky.
Come on, Carl.
He's so lucky. Talk trash talking street scene, talking trash about me, talking trash about everyone in the group, saying how he's the fastest, how no one in our group is worthy of running that. Yeah, I can name 30 people in our group that can get out, but he's comfortable. That's my point.
He friends have come to the group. His friends came to the group. So I hang out with both groups, and I know both groups, and we like people in both groups. I think he's got it.
Pull it hard, Carl. Pull it hard. Go, go, get on it.
Take care of that first race. The Corvette driver. Don't let me buy you, I will hit you.
I'll let you right on by if you're going to hit my car.
I think that
You're worth my $40.
I'm just saying.
No, you can take the W all you want.
That's a good point. Who thinks the underdog Grand Prix is going to win?
I'll move out. I'll use my turn signal and move over for you, so you know. You know what I mean? So you have a warning.
Is going to win.
Just race when I'm not. We'll take it right off. We'll rotate, work together.
All right, come on, Carl. Carl, he's catching it. What are you doing? Oh, he's pushing hard. He's pushing. Oh, he's got this. He's got it, man. 5 miles. They're probably going to run again. Best of 3 here, ladies and gentlemen. You guys know how we do these Spectator Outlaw today.
I'm afraid these people hit my car.
At least the car link, I would think.
Why are they giving him a card?
What? Oh, car link? Oh, come
Why?
on. That's not fair. Yeah, that was yeah, he's staying in second like you're told. All right, he won. Let's go down to the winner's circle.
Go pop the bottles, boys!
I want to remind you guys, coming up here tonight, after all the racing action, Fender Veterans should be playing down in Champions Bar, located right below the grandstand. So be sure to stick around here after the race. Once again, check out the great band.
Carl, rev it!
Playing live
Rev
down in
it!
Champions Bar. And on the big screen, Captain Marvel. After all this racing, coming up here tonight, even instruction at Elko Speedway.
Want to get in the picture with them and everything?
All right, how you feel right now?
How do you feel?
He was going to pull that
On the Mustang?
Yeah.
Guys, come on out. We need you to stop.